These, in my opinion, remain probably the best earbuds made so far. Why I say that? Because they are not the newest, because they're from 2019. But why are they that good? Even though after all these years, these still pull that 6 to 7 hours of playtime, they charge fast, and they have extremely clear and precise sound. I am not joking. I am somebody who seriously takes audio to heart. These ones are the only ones that go to that level. Yes, what's in the box besides this nice guide, the beginning guide if you wish. Here's where your tips and supports would be. Mine, I just put them here so you can see. Yes, these are the in-ear supports that go around. I'll show you in a second. They come with 3 different size tips right there. And the charger that I have on the wall is just a USB-C charger. And yes, it can charge wirelessly as well. You can put them on a wireless charger and it will start charging. As you see, I already have in my phone, I have the Galaxy Buds installed. When you first pair them to your Samsung, for example, it will prompt you to download Galaxy wearables if you don't have it, just for extra controls. When I open them, it should connect instantly. And as you see, it went right away. It gives you a reading of your earbuds, 100%, 100%. Here is your equalizer. You can go from bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. I always leave it on dynamic because it really does that punch to perfection. I mean perfection. Not overly boosted, not undertoned. It just nails it. And you can make it read notifications aloud right here. While you're working, an email comes in or whatnot, these will read it to you. And then you have the touch controls. You can change what they do if you want to. Quick ambient sound, volume down, voice control. I don't really use any of that, so I'm not gonna leave it. So I usually block touches. I don't really use the touches that much. Ambient sound on or off. You can leave it off or you can turn it back on so it lets some sound pass through. Yes, they have noise cancelling abilities in them. And the rest, of course, find my earbuds in case you lose them. It'll make a sound so you can try to look for them. And here's the earbuds themselves inside. Really beautifully built. Not sure if you can see. This is the back of it. This is the touch. This is the rubber that I told you. That's the ear support because it goes in the ear this way. And it's supported by this part in your earlobe. Here is the contacts for charging. And here's some kind of sensor that they have. So when you approach this near your ear, actually you'll hear a tiny sound that it detects that you're putting it in your ear. And here's the ear tip that you can take off and switch it for something else. Really nice drivers inside. Really nice battery, and yes, they are repairable, by the way. They don't require any special tools to take off. You can just split them, and yes, the batteries are something you can find actually in case you need them. You can find replacements, and besides that, the case itself acts as a battery. Yes, it has its own power backup that keeps on, as you see right there, and besides this, there's really not much to talk about except for that they are probably the best earphones or earbuds made in recent times. In my opinion, again, as somebody who owns other brands that are much more expensive than them, I find myself going back to the Samsung Buds. And yes, as I said, in case I didn't say it, the version on these is the R170. Yes, these are the version that says right there. I'm not sure if the camera will focus, but it says Samsung Sound by AKG. And yes, I have AKG, the bigger ones as well, the over-the-ear earphones. And you know, AKG is AKG. There's not many words to say about them. They just do great work on when it comes to headphones. And before I forget to mention, they work with other devices as well. Yes, they will work with your iPhone or almost any Android in existence. And yes, they will connect to your Windows PC or laptop. As long as that PC or laptop has a good Bluetooth installed, it will work. And yes, it works with Bluetooth USB dongles as well. So they're not just limited to a Samsung phone or any phone. They work with other devices that are Bluetooth active as well. And with that said, take a look at them. You'll thank me later.